v plus 1 by u. Let us see the derivation of this formula. Here already we have discussed that f is a focal length, that is the distance between the pole and the principal axis, principal focus. V is the image distance, u is the object distance. Every distance is measured from the pole. Okay. So my dear friends, let us see. Please try to understand. Please try to observe the diagram here. In this particular case, this is the center of curvature C, F, that is the principal focus. This is P. Because the aperture is very small and this is a P dash. Here, the object is placed beyond C and AB is the object. Here, the first ray is passing like this parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it is going passing through the principal focus, and the second ray which is passing through the center of curvature is retracing its path back in the same direction, and these two rays are converging at this point where the image is formed. A dash B dash is the point where the image is formed. In this particular case, the image is diminished, and please try to understand. Already we have seen the case. In this derivation, let us see, we are using the geometry and similar triangles. We are using the concept of similar triangles. Please try to see here. This is one triangle and this is these two triangles are similar. Why they are similar? Because these two angles are equal, alternate angles are equal. These two angles are 90 degrees, and definitely these two angles again, these two are vertically opposite angles, these two are alternate angles. When we are taking these two as the parallel lines and these are transversal, these are the alternate angles, vertically opposite angles, and both are 90 degrees. So according to the axiom AAA, these two triangles are similar. So when two similar triangles are there, their ratios of the sides are equal. The ratios of their sides are equal. Means this side by this side. Means AB by A dash B dash. This side by this side is equal to this side by this side. Means AC by A dash C. This is equation number 1. Just we are trying to use the concept of similar triangles. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So this side AB by A dash B dash is equal to AC by A dash C. This is equation number 1. Now again, let us now consider these two triangles. This is one triangle here, this is another triangle here. These two triangles. Now when we are taking these two triangles here again these are vertically opposite angles. They are equal, similar, 90 degrees, right angle. And when we take these two on the parallel lines, this is the transversal, these are the alternate angles are equal. So according to the axiom AAA, these two triangles are similar. These two triangles, triangle F A dash B dash and triangle P dash XF. These two triangles are similar. Now again using the same thing, this side by this side, means this side means XP dash by this side by this side, means A dash B dash is equal to this side by this side, means P dash F by this one, that means F A dash. This is equation number 2. Now when we are considering these two equations, please my dear friends, please consider, because the aperture is very less, P and P dash are almost at the same point. We can consider P and P dash almost at the same point. And these two are same. These two are same. Means AB is equal to P dash X. These two are same. Because these two are same, now these two, you are taking the left hand side and you are taking the right hand side. The two left hand sides are equal. These two are same. by A dash C is equal to P dash F by F A dash. Because XP dash and AB are equal, so these two left hand sides are equal, we are equating the two right hand sides. So now please try to understand here. This is AC, means this is AC. You are going to get this value, you are going to get this value when you take this value AB minus PC. AB minus PC gives AC. I think you might have understood. So AB is nothing but see, AB minus PC. AC is nothing but AB minus PC divided by, now A dash C. See, this is A dash C. You are going to get this when you subtract PC minus PA dash. That means PC minus PA dash gives A dash C. Just observing the diagram, nothing, no need of by hearting, just observe the diagram, that's all. Now P dash F. So this is P dash F. It is nothing but the focal length. It is nothing but the focal length. P dash F is nothing but PF, because P and PF are almost same, almost coinciding, because the aperture is very small. So that is it, can be taken as the focal length. Now F A dash, this is nothing but this minus this, means P A dash minus PF. So my dear friends, you can see here AP is nothing but the object distance, generally we write it as U, and PC is nothing but, you can see this is PC is nothing but the radius of curvature, this is nothing but the radius of curvature, and that is again nothing but equal to 2f. Radius of curvature equal to 2f, so I can write it as 2f. Okay, so next, now divide by PC. PC is nothing but, already we have just now seen, that is nothing but 2f. So 2f minus PA dash. See, PA dash is nothing but, this is a point where the image is formed. So this is nothing but the image distance, which is represented by a small v. V represents the image distance. So that is equal to F by PA dash. PA dash, see, PA dash is nothing but the image distance V minus PF. See, PF is nothing but the focal length F. The focal length F. I think now you understood how we have replaced. My dear friends, now we have cross multiplied. Now let us open the bracket. V into U V minus, just open it, minus 2f, otherwise U into minus f, that is UF, because plus into minus is minus. Now minus into plus is minus 2FV, minus into minus is plus 2f into f is 2f square is equal to 2f into f, that is 2f square minus Vf. So when you, this we can cancel on either side because equal to is there. Now UV is equal to, I am taking all these towards my right hand side, so it becomes, the minus becomes plus when it goes that side. So UF plus 2FV minus VF, because this is minus, it is like that. 2VF minus 1VF is nothing but 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So UF plus VF. So UV is equal to this. Now we are dividing every term by UVF. UVF. Divide every term by UVF. Now when you cancel, here also you can cancel U and F. Here also you can cancel V and F. Now what is the remaining? 1 by F here, 1 by v is remaining here plus 1 by u. So we got a relation between focal length, image distance, object distance. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. In this question, when we are solving, the diagram plays an important role. When you are drawing a diagram, please see that you are using a scale. Don't draw like me, but use a scale. You have to draw the arrow marks. Arrows are very important. That shows the direction in which your rays are moving. So my dear friends, please try to follow the textbook. Please try to derive this once or twice. And this is an important equation derivation in the point of examination point of view also. Thank you.